afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 19. So we are using the same instruction to answer this question. So we are looking for the option that contains the same consonant sound, particularly as in the underlying letters. And the underlying letter in this word is letter T. And this word is pronounced as mensed, but people pronounce it as most. Mensed. Sure sound. Then option A is pronounced as sniffed. While option B is pronounced as there. Option C is pronounced as think. While option D is pronounced as listening. So by this, find out that the letter T in the word listen is silent. So but the ed here is pronounced as t, as in the given word. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.